how to deploy our deploy the Docker image to the Hold Cloud. Hold Cloud is from UpYun, and let's open Hold Cloud's website first. Wait a minute. Its domain, its website is holdcloud.com, and this is the homepage of the Hold Cloud, and I have logged in. So let's open the console directly. And in the console we can see a project list, and let's create a new project to click the create button, and select the resource pool, and we set to Hangzhou, and the name of the project we will set the name with devcon, and remark it with devcon demo, and will not set the logo, just use default image, and confirm. Okay, we have created a project named devcon, and let's enter the devcon page, and we can see we'll first create a container service, and I will create a stateless service, and this is the stateless service selection, and named the service, and I will name it with ABT Node, and set the remark is ABT Node demo, and the access control I will keep it default, and confirm. Okay, we have created a container service, and the container service has a public domain. The public domain is a critical parameter to our ABT node, just like we just set it in the Docker at my Mac OS. So we'll copy it and we'll use it later. And then let's create a container instance. First, let's select a container. Let's select the Docker image, and one thing we should pay attention is we should upload our Docker image to the Hold Cloud first, because the Hold Cloud will load the image from its Hold Clouds only. So for save our time, I have uploaded the ABT node image to the Hold Cloud before. So I just select the image and select the version with the latest, and set the instance count. We'll set it 1, and the CPU count is 1, and the memory 1, and set the port with a port that difficult to that is different to others port. We'll set it 31888. Okay. This port is nothing. It's nothing. It's just set it randomly, and the instance strategy will keep it default, and the start command will use ABT node command. ABT node start silent. A silent parameter means it will generate a configuration file automatically, and then set the keep live. The keep live parameter will keep the Docker run daemon, and then set the environment process environment, and one is ABT node domain. We have just set it in macOS Docker. I'm sorry, DOMAIN. Sorry. and its value is a public address we just copied, so I just paste it. Sorry, I forgot to paste it. Let's copy it again and create. I'm sorry, just lost a copy. Select Docker image and version and 1 and port 3188 and the command. Sorry, wait a minute. Now let's set it again. ABT Node Overview, and the value is a public address, and then set ABT Node port, and its value is we just set it before and paste it, and we'll no need to set the mount folder, and the logs will print it in the standard output. So next, and we'll no need to confirm set the health checking, because it's just a demo. And now we can see the instance is running, and we can see the log, or we can see the container is running. It started successfully, but before we can access it from public networks, we must map the port we just set it 31888 to the public. So let's configure set it here, the public address access, and we have to create a row and select the port we just we needed to map, and this is a load protocol. We set it. We select TCP, and the port we just we should select 31888, the same as the port we mapped, and confirm. Okay, we just create a row to let our container can be accessed from the public. This row may be effective minutes later or seconds later. We just wait a minute, and now we can visit our container service with a public address and with a port we just set 31888. Let's try. Okay. The port is effective. Wait a minute. The first visit will be do something to initialize. Okay, we saw this QR code again, and we just saw this QR code twice. So I no need to waste our time to explain it. Let's set the owner with our ABT node, with our ABT wallet. Wait a minute. I will scan the QR code. Okay. I have authorized it and confirm the basic settings, and I will not edit it and complete the setup. Okay, let's take a tour of the dashboard, and we can see we have just created in the Hold Cloud, and the Docker the environment is in Docker. So this is a whole process, progress how to deploy our ABT node to the Hold Cloud